Introducing Caveman Kitchen's Sous Chef Rocks. Over 10,000 years of product development to bring you the highest quality kitchen tools on the market. The roller rock is much smaller than your conventional roller and allows you to prepare your favorite cookies or pizza with ease and in style. The slicer rock is the ideal cutting tool. It is just sharp enough to cut steel, but is safe for households with children and partying college students. Pointy rock. With the beet rock, you can tenderize meat, mash various foods, or scare off home intruders, replacing your meat tenderizer, blender, masher, food processor, and handgun. The roast rock can be used to prepare a chicken, cow, or any other animal you like to eat, and it always comes out of the oven perfectly seasoned, cooked, and garnished. The grinder rock can be used as a surface to grind anything that needs grinding, from whole grains for a healthier lifestyle to pepper for a fresh taste on your salad. By combining the grinder and the tenderizer rock, you can grind your own fresh coffee beans. You want to let your kids help you in the kitchen, but are afraid they might cut themselves with sharp knives? Go. Using the slicer rock, you can cut anything with ease. But you can't cut yourself, and neither can your kids. With the convenient, space-efficient roller rock, you can roll your family and friends' favorite cookies in half the time. Is arthritis keeping you from beating your meat hard enough? The beet rock fully tenderizes every time. Do you ever have trouble finding your kitchen supplies? With the Sous Rock bowl included free with your purchase, finding your Sous Rocks is easy, and your kitchen will look better than ever. Go.
I use Caveman Kitchen Sous Chef Rocks in my kitchen at De La Vegas Grill every day.
And if you order now, as a special gift to you, you get the Pointy Rock. The grinder rock can be used to mash your favorite potatoes. Live in a shady neighborhood? Constantly living in fear of bad guys breaking into your home? Fear no more. The beater rock and the pointy rock also work as home defense tools. Want to have a perfectly cooked, perfectly seasoned chicken every time? Just add the roast rock to your frozen chicken and insert it into the oven. And out comes a perfectly garnished and seasoned chicken using the roast rock by Caveman Kitchen.